breakfast plates for my sister and I. I'm just doing egg, spinach, the usual thing that I do. It's such a good breakfast. It'll give you so much energy in the morning. So I do 4 eggs, 2 for each of us. This morning's easy, healthy breakfast. I love having spinach in the morning and an egg or 2 and some fruit. Honestly, it's the best way to start the morning if I'm not craving like oatmeal. Today I wanted something more on the savory side. You guys, I have a haul and I'm so excited. Now, I want to do something. I was looking at my analytics and I realized that so many of you guys watch me on TV. I have a haul right now and I'm going to put links up on a QR code so you can scan it with your phone and access the links to whatever you need. I think this is going to be a lot more efficient for those of you who are watching on like a laptop or a TV, not on a phone. I don't think many of you watch on your phone. The way I shop is so different now. I think maybe part of it is because I'm now starting a clothing line, which, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. You guys, I think I have a sample coming. I should get my sample pretty soon and I can't wait to show it to you guys. I'm really creating things that are just, you can wear every single day and hopefully you guys will love it too. Recently, ever since I started doing designing, I have a different eye for design and fashion than I did before when I used to shop. And I love, love, love all the pieces that I've bought recently. I am such a fan of fashion. It's such a big part of my life. I bought a few things and I want to share with you guys because I'm so excited. I'm going to put a picture on the screen and a QR code on the screen so that you guys can scan the QR code if you're interested in shopping the product. I think that's just going to be so much easier than being like, go down below, find the link, like, this to me, let me know if you are like, don't do that again. Let me know, I won't do it again if you're not a fan of it. Starting off, I just found this beautiful brand, you guys, and I'm so obsessed with it. I just ordered something, beautiful packaging. I think this came from, I believe this came from Sweden. This is the brand. Decided I'm going to wear a boy short under it rather than something else. This is so stunning. It's a skirt and it's this lace piece and it comes with, oh guys, like I need to find something to wear this to right now. It comes with a little undergarment for it. However, I am probably, like I said, going to wear it with a boy short. And I appreciate that this is a separate piece. Like, so first of all, this is very nice. This is like a knit undergarment for it and it's very nice. Like the fabric is so impressive, but listen, this on a little dinner, but with like a very modest top. So if you're wearing something like this as a bottom, you should wear it with a boy short. I think that's a classier way to do it. And then also I would say you should wear it with something where like you're covered up. So like a long sleeve. I saw a couple pieces on Revolve. I have a pair of heels from Tony Bianco. Now, I think it would be really remiss of me to say heels can be comfortable. A high heel is not comfortable. It's a high heel. Like you're not wearing it for comfort or else you would be wearing a sandal or something like that. However, of the heels I have tried, these are the best, most comfortable heel, in my opinion. I have them in this beautiful dark red and I wore them out and you guys, they were amazing and they were, I felt confident, good. They were so flattering. So I bought them in another color. I am a huge fan of your shoe needs to match your bag. And I have a taupe colored bag. So it was about time that I got a taupe colored shoe. This is a suede taupe colored heel. I'm blown away right now by how beautiful this shoe is. I love suede. I'm so sad because summer's coming. I'm not a summer fan. I'm a winter gal. And when you say, oh, you live in California, of course you like the winter. No, 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 no. I like the winter in New York because I like to dress up in layers, in a chic coat and a heel and a boot. This is giving fall vibes. I love fall and winter, but this is a suede, beautiful suede taupe shoe that's going to go beautifully with my taupe colored purse that I have. Now I saw this top and this is so beautifully made. This is a corset top that is just beautiful. When I tell you, I cannot wait to put this on. I cannot wait to wear this. Look at the back of it. I'm gonna insert photos as well, but it's like a corset bustier, like yes, 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 yes. If I could say one thing, I wish the shoulder straps were adjustable because I have really small shoulders. Straps slide off. I have to have an adjustable strap, but I'm hoping for the best because I did get it in my size. I'm hoping that it works out, but wow, this is so pretty. Can't wait to put it on. It is beautiful. I'm really excited to wear all of these, to style them. We are going to try a new sushi spot. I think it's called Suki. Was it called Suki? Yes, it was called Suki. I saw this, it's a hand roll spot, and I was thinking how fun it would be if my sister and I went on a little girls' dinner date. I love food, obsessed. I love going to new restaurants, and it's just so fun. It's a little fun thing that you can do, and I love hand rolls. Someone wants to say hi to you. She just had a really good nap and she's just really pumped about how good her nap was in my closet. She loves to sleep in my closet where my clothes are, and I think it's really funny, but I also it's the one side of my closet that I'm more sensitive on. If she slept in like my activewear closet, I wouldn't really care because whatever, but she sleeps like in the nice tops and tees and like the capsule wardrobe side that I'm more sensitive on. I am right now about to get some pressed juice ready for today and tomorrow, and then make some dinner. Nothing crazy, but I figured we could hang out and I would vlog it. So I am going to make a skin glow juice today that I make pretty much every week. I show you guys different juice recipes, but this one's really great, and I want to show you how you can make it. For this recipe, you're going to need celery. You're going to need 2 cucumbers. Cucumber is what makes your skin glow. You're gonna need apple, and you're also going to need a pineapple. So I am going to juice these real quick. Okay, so dinner, I'm doing a cucumber salad, asparagus, rice, and some salmon. So I just do avocado oil, season this, and then same for the salmon, and then I broil it so it's crispy at the end, and so yummy, you guys. It always tastes like a restaurant. I'm obsessed, and I'm having my green juice in the meantime while I get this ready. Okay guys, look how incredible this looks. I am so happy with how it turned out. It's so easy, such a quick, yummy dinner. Okay, this is tonight's dinner. Yum, this looks so good. I'm so excited. Hope you guys got some inspo. I love healthy recipes that are quick and easy.